Jobs and Career Coaching for International Students. It starts at 6:30 p.m. on Monday, the 9th of May 2022. This is being held at the Kathleen Syme Library and Community Centre in Carlton at 251 Faraday Street. If you're an international student studying in Melbourne, Australia, odds are that you might need an expert recruiter to give you some advice on how to land your dream job in Australia. Well, guess what? Here's an event just for you. Join this Jobs and Career Coaching workshop. It's being held for international students, and there's not going to be just one. No, there's going to be top recruiters, yes, plural, and career coaches from Career Success Australia. Now, what are they going to help you do? You'll be getting advice on optimising your resume and your cover letter. That'll help you get more job interviews. What's the hidden job market? How do you find them? Are you on LinkedIn? If you're not, you should be. Well, guess what? You can use LinkedIn to find employers directly and then approach them and see about setting up your own interviews. Don't wait for the job ads to come out. Now, these recruiters and career coaches, they'll help you practice your interview answers, and they'll help you find internships if that's what you're after, that's what you need. Whatever your industry is, they can help you find them. If you need help to secure professional employment in Australia, and if you're living in Melbourne, you better register now to attend. Now, there's a link below. You can register. Now, if you need more information, email City of Melbourne. This event is part of International Student Week, and the event is hosted by the City of Melbourne. It's open to all international students studying in Melbourne, Australia. G'day and welcome to This International Student Life. We're presenting a series of episodes about Melbourne's International Student Week. This is all presented as part of Study. This is all presented by Study Melbourne and Jobs Victoria. Wise Words Media is always looking for great stories about international students in Melbourne, and we're always keen to share any story of any student here that we think might be helpful to those. You might be currently overseas just trying to decide whether to come to Australia. Thanks for listening, thanks for watching, and we'll chat to you soon. This International Student Life is produced by Wise Words Media. This episode contains nil paid promotions. All information in this episode is taken from sources available to the public in the public domain. Wise Words Media accepts no responsibility for any errors or omissions of information in this episode. Melbourne International Student Week is presented by the Committee for Melbourne and proudly sponsored by Study Melbourne as an initiative of the Economic Development Department of the Victorian State Government.